morning students. Today's topic is types of angles. Before start topic, I would like to explain some important points. First is point. A point is a dot made by a sharp pencil or a pen. It shows the location. Means a point has no length and no thickness. We have to use capital letters to show the point. Here in this figure we use two capital letters A and B. Next is line. Line is a straight path passing through two or more than 2 points. It has no endpoint and no definite length. In this figure we can see that there are arrows marked on both the ends. These arrows signify that this line extends unendingly on both the sides. It is represented as line AB or line BA. We use this particular symbol to signify that it is a line. Next is line segment. A line segment is a straight line that connects 2 points. It has 2 endpoints and a definite length. In this figure, a line segment AB has 2 points A and B. Its length can be measured because it starts from fixed point and ends at a fixed point. It is represented as line segment AB or line segment BA. This is a symbol of line segment. Next is ray. A ray can be defined as a part of a line that has fixed starting point but no end point. This is a figure of ray. It is represented as ray AB. The arrow over the two letters indicates it is a ray and the arrow direction indicates that A is the point where the ray starts and passing through B. Next we come to an angle. An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. An angle is represented by this symbol. Here the angle formed is angle AOB or angle BOA. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Here OA and OB are the arms of angle AOB. And the common endpoint at which the two rays meet to form an angle is called the vertex. Here the point O is called the vertex of an angle AOB. Next we come to the types of angles. First is acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. It means it lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. In this figure, this angle is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. Next is right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called right angle. It is the only angle which is not marked with curve. Right angle is marked with this. This is the figure of right angle. Next is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. This is the figure of obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next is straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree. This is called straight angle. This is the figure of straight angle because this angle is of 180 degree and straight angle looks like a straight line. Next is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. This is a figure of reflex angle. As we can see from the figure, this is a straight line and it is clear that this angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So it is a reflex angle. Thank you.